Okay guys, let's get started. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to start your own website. It's very simple, guys. I'm going through the company Wix. I'm sorry, I probably pronounced it wrong, but I'm going through this company. Shopify is very popular. Everyone uses that one. I go through Wix because it's affordable for me. I pay about $200 annually for this company. It's okay for right now. I want to wait till I grow. Then I'm going to upgrade I will upgrade later. First thing you need, a desktop, laptop to do this on. So once you create your account, you should go to your home page and then you go to the top and you're going to push create your website. Now this is how it looks. So once you get here, you have to pick what type of business you have or what type of website you want to create. I want to create an online store, so I'm going to click on online store. So you have two options. You can create your website from scratch. If you are familiar with that, that's the best option for you. I'm just going to go with choose a template. Now these are all the different templates that they offer. I'm just going to go to the search box and type in cosmetics. So once you find the perfect template that fits you, you can just view it there or just edit. So I'm just going to push edit. I like this one. It's very simple. You get straight to the point. Splash of color is perfect. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to add my business name. So now I'm about to change all the names up here. I'm going to change it to fit me. I just want shopping, about me, and a shopping cart. That's all I want up there. To change that, you just click on it and you see this pops up. I'm going to rearrange it and I'm going to delete the ones that I don't need. Now I'm just going to change all the writing. I'm going to replace them with the names of my products. So now I'm about to change all the pictures to my images. To do that, you will have to upload the images from your computer to the website, and it's very simple. Just follow me. So you will want to go to site files, and this page is gonna pop up. Then you go to upload from this computer. Once your picture is uploaded, you just want to put change background. I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to replace their name with mine, and I'm going to add a picture as well. So in order to change something, all you do is highlight it, delete, and then type over it. So that's what I'm going to do right here. I'm just going to put our information about our new cosmetic line. Now I'm just rearranging things, making sure everything's cohesive. I'm deleting things that I don't need on the site. Now that I'm satisfied with my work, I'm going to save it. Now, it's so important to save it just in case your computer crash or anything, you lose Wi-Fi. So make sure you're consistently saving your project. So these are the two options. Since I am not paying for a domain, I cannot have a .com. So that's why I have to go to the free option, which is a backslash and then the name of my business. I'm going to put save and continue. Once it's done saving, I'm going to push publish. Now, at this time, you can view your site or you can just push done. This is how the home page is. Now it's time to add the products. In order to add products to your store, you're going to have to add a store. So first, you go all the way to the left, you're going to push add, then all the way down till you see store. So this will pop up. This is the website stock picture, top where it says manage products. All these stock pictures, you can just delete all of them or you can just replace them with yours. So at the top where it says new products, they have two options. You can have a physical or a digital option. So I'm just going to push physical. I'm going to do the same process over again. The same way how we did for the home page where we uploaded the image from our computer to the site. We're going to do the same thing for our products. Once you put all your products up, you have a price point and a description. I'm going to share with you how to add a payment method. Under Store Manager, go to Dashboard. So here on the dashboard, we have a checklist which you need to complete in order to start selling or get customers to your site. You'll set up a payment method. I suggest only PayPal. I don't like the VIX. I had a bad experience, but this is for my preference. If you want to try it out, go for it, but I prefer just PayPal right now. Once you connect your PayPal, this message will pop up. This discount is free. This message will remain up there until you upgrade, but it's fine. That is it. We are done. We set up the website. So that is it for my tutorial. I do want to say this, guys. If you're starting your own business and you want to do your website, I just suggest that you should do this option as the free option so you can build traffic to your website. And when you're ready to accept payments or add inventory if you don't have inventory yet, then you could upgrade later. So that's why I like VIX. They give you that option. And also one more thing, at Shopify, which is another popular site that a lot of people use, and one day I will upgrade to that one day. They have a 14-day trial. I don't want to use Shopify yet. I want my business to grow and then I will grow with it. I hope that my tutorial was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, and fitness.